Hi everyone! Tonight I'll be making Nacho Meatball Bake. What all goes into the Nacho Meatball Bake? 1 can refrigerated buttermilk biscuits, 8 count. 1 15-ounce jar of salsa queso cheese dip. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh cilantro. 1 pound thawed frozen cooked beef meatballs cut in half, about 22. And 1 can 14.5 ounces diced tomatoes, drained. So let's begin. Take a 13x9 pan or a 3-quart casserole dish and spray it with nonstick cooking spray. Preheat the oven to 375. So take your biscuits, and these will scare me like they always do. Separate them into 8 biscuits. So take each biscuit and cut them into 8 pieces. So take your pieces and put them in the bottom of your casserole dish. And they got the little triangle shape, kind of like nachos. I would imagine that's where it came up with the name. Then drizzle the salsa con queso dip over the biscuit pieces. And this is, you're only drizzling 3/4 of a cup. And then toss to coat. After I did that so nice and neat, I'm going to be messing them all up so I can coat these. Then sprinkle 1 tablespoon of the cilantro on top of that. Like so. Then take your meatballs and put them on top of that. I may have to put them closer together. And my few, I'm just sticking in wherever I can find room. Then take your can of drained diced tomatoes and put them on top of that. Then drizzle the remaining salsa con queso dip over the top of the tomatoes and meatballs. Then take your Nacho Meatball Bake, put it in a preheated 375-degree oven, and bake it for 35 to 40 minutes until the biscuits are dark brown and not doughy inside. Then top your Nacho Meatball Bake with the rest of the cilantro, which is 1 tablespoon, and then let it rest for 10 minutes. So here is the Nacho Meatball Bake, and rounding out the meal is mixed vegetables. Let's see what Dave thinks.
This looks like biscuits.
It is. It's Nacho Meatball Bake.
It's interesting. It's got a good flavor. Like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.